The new iPad Air. Now, the exterior and the colors have not changed, but what is inside is just wild. It has been upgraded to the M4 chip, and its unified memory has been bumped up from 8GB to 12GB. And get this, some iPad Pros are still running on 8GB of RAM. But this time the iPad Air is really turning the tables. And on top of that, compared to the M3 generation, its overall performance is up by about 30%. So, if you find yourself editing some videos, doing some 3D work, or multitasking with a bunch of apps, and you are still in that learning curve phase, the iPad Air is honestly more than enough. And look, it now supports ray tracing and hardware accelerated mesh shading, which once again boosts its graphics performance. So if you are not entirely sure what your needs are, I think the Air is honestly more than enough, because it gives you the best of both worlds. And finally, even if you just use it for watching shows, it is not a waste of a device. The only thing is, it has a 60Hz screen refresh rate, and that is where it really falls behind the iPad Pro. I think the real dividing line is whether or not you will be using the Apple Pencil, because whether it is for drawing or just general use, the iPad Pro is definitely more professional. And here is another interesting point. Look, even the iPad Air, the younger sibling in the lineup, is now getting the nearly top of the line M4 chip. And yet, the new colorful MacBooks Apple just launched are running on the A18 Pro chip, which is based on the same architecture as the iPhone. Now that is just a completely wild and baffling move from Apple. So once I am back in Beijing, I will share my detailed hands-on review and experience with you. Alright, it starts at 4,799 RMB. Would you consider getting one?